What's up, everybody? We're working on a set of axles for my LJ. These are out of a 99 to 04 Super Duty. These are about to be completely stripped down. I have a truss kit from Barnes for the rear and a truss kit from Artec for the front. And we're gonna swap it into my LJ, and I'm gonna bring you guys along to see the progress. I've got the axles on the jack stands. I'll take everything off with the impact that I can take off. That's the end of the work today. Tune in for the next video where we'll be finishing the tear down, getting the axle shafts and ring and pinion out of the front Dana 60 and getting all the old Ford brackets off.